If you're looking to upgrade your PC's power supply, the MWE Gold V2 offers several meaningful improvements over its predecessor. This new generation model is designed to deliver better performance, quieter operation, and enhanced durability, features that matter when building or upgrading your system. One of the standout benefits of the MWE Gold V2 is its 80+ gold efficiency rating. This means it uses power more effectively, reducing wasted energy and lowering your electricity bills. Plus, it helps keep your system running cooler, which can extend the lifespan of your components. The MWE Gold V2 also boasts high temperature resilience. It can operate reliably at higher temperatures, making it a solid choice for gamers and power users who push their systems hard. This upgrade ensures stability even under demanding workloads, giving you peace of mind. Noise is another area where this power supply shines. Equipped with a hydrodynamic bearing, HDB, fan, it runs quieter than many competitors. This fan design not only reduces noise but also improves longevity, so you get a smoother and more silent experience over time. Flexibility is key when it comes to cable management, and the MWE Gold V2 is fully modular. This means you only connect the cables you need, which helps reduce clutter inside your case and improves airflow. Cleaner builds look better and run cooler, a win-win. Physically, the unit measures 160 by 150 by 86 mm, making it compact enough to fit most standard cases without hassle. This size strikes a balance between power and convenience, fitting comfortably in your setup without sacrificing performance. While many users praise the upgrades, it's important to acknowledge that some have experienced issues. One reviewer received a dead-on-arrival unit, which was understandably disappointing. However, the replacement arrived quickly and worked as expected, demonstrating responsive customer service. This experience highlights the importance of testing your power supply before installation. It's a simple step that can save time and frustration, ensuring your build goes smoothly from the start. Once installed, the replacement MWE Gold V2 performed well, running quietly and maintaining stable power delivery. The user reported no problems after an hour of testing, which is a promising sign for reliability in everyday use. What changes with the MWE Gold V2 compared to the original? The addition of two EPS connectors allows for better compatibility with high-end motherboards and CPUs. This upgrade is essential for users planning to run powerful processors or multi-GPU setups. The increased maximum operating temperature means the unit can handle hotter environments without throttling or shutting down. This is especially beneficial if your PC is in a warmer room or if you tend to overclock your system. Reduced noise output is another tangible improvement. The quieter fan means less distraction during gaming sessions, video editing, or any task where a noisy power supply can be a nuisance. For anyone who values efficiency, quiet operation, and modular design, the MWE Gold V2 offers a well-rounded package. Its 80+ gold certification ensures you're not wasting energy, while the modular cables keep your build neat and tidy. If you've been hesitant about upgrading your power supply, this model is worth a look. It balances cost and features in a way that suits both casual users and enthusiasts alike. Try it when you're ready to experience a power supply that supports your system without adding unnecessary noise or clutter. The MWE Gold V2 is built to keep your PC stable and efficient for the long haul. In summary, the MWE Gold V2 power supply combines thoughtful upgrades with proven technology. From improved cooling to modular flexibility, it addresses common pain points for PC builders and upgraders. While no product is perfect, the quick replacement process and positive follow-up experiences show that support is available if you encounter issues. That kind of service adds value beyond the specs on paper. If that's you, someone looking for a reliable, efficient, and quieter power supply, this model deserves serious consideration. It's designed to power your PC confidently while minimizing hassle. Choosing the right power supply is a critical step in any build, and the MWE Gold V2 delivers on the essentials. Its combination of efficiency, durability, and modular design makes it a smart investment for your next upgrade.